are you looking for the cheapest MagSafe compatible case for the Pixel 9 Pro XL? I think I have the thing for you. So let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So, Tudia have sent me across their MergeGrip cases for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. So let's check these out. So every time there's a new Pixel out, Tudia are always the ones that hit me up and say, Michael, more cases for the Pixel, do you want them? Big shout out guys for sending these over for review. And these are the MergeGrip cases. So these are very, very nice cases. As the Pixels have evolved, so have these cases. And I will say, I do love the design of this. With the design change of the Pixel 9 Pro XL changing to basically an iPhone body, if we'll just call a spade a spade. This case is absolutely awesome looking, it really is. So yeah, let's just check these out. So these are TPU cases. They come with MagSafe built into them as well. And the cool thing about the MergeGrip cases is that you can customize them. So obviously these are two colors. So these are the black and the blue. There is other cases out there with different colors and you can separate them. So you can separate the inner part and the back plate part, and then you can customize it and all that sort of stuff, which is really, really cool feature. And I'm glad they've kept it here, but there's no point in doing it here because they're both black. So let's just check out the weight. So 54 grams and 55 grams. Much of a muchness there, to be honest. These cases have always been really, really good value, and I think the last time I seen these, they were under 20 quid, you know, for the Pixel, which is really, really good. Good quality case and MagSafe compatible. So yeah, I mean, look at that. I really dig that. Tudia used to do cases for the iPhone, and I don't know why they stopped doing it, but I'm hoping, looking at this, that they go back to doing iPhone cases because they're really good. They're really good. So we have here our molded buttons on the side, which are clicky, tactile. That's great, no problem there. We've got a smooth bumper with these wee textured parts down the side here, which does help to grip it when you're holding it, and I really do like that. On the bottom then we've got our cutouts for USB-C, our microphone and our speakers, and then we have our microphone cutout on the top. That's what you want, and yeah, that's really, really good. I do like that. We've got that lovely texture on the back as well, and this goes super well with the Obsidian phone, so yeah, I'm a big fan of that. So we'll just do a fitment test then. So we just take the corners and we just give it a twist, and the phone is secure in there. It is not moving at all. That's perfect. So we'll just look at the screen lip then. So the screen lip does come up over the display, so it is pretty consistent all the way around, so you are going to get good set down protection there. You set the phone down flat, it's not going to, the display is not going to touch that surface. That's what you want. Now the camera bar is raised up over the glass of the camera bar, and it does give you good set down protection, but what I have noticed here is there's a fair bit of a gap in around the camera bar, which I don't know, I kind of feel like maybe I would like that to be more covered, you know, to maybe cover the metal, but yeah, it's just, it is a very, very big gap. But when you look at it for set down protection, it's not going to touch the glass, so if you set it down flat, the glass is going to be protected. That's really what you want. Again, the feel of the case, we've got this texture on the back, which is very nice. We have the textured grips down the side here, and it does make it nice to hold. And see, for the money, it's a real hard to beat case. It really is. So I can't fault that at all. Really, really good. I like that. And of course, MagSafe compatible, so we can do a MagSafe test. So okay. Oh, there's no MagSafe ring in this one. Random. But there is in the blue one, so we can do a MagSafe test on the blue one. That's a bit weird. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about this being different. Well, we can do a MagSafe test on the blue one, so let's just try it out. So yeah, those magnets are relatively decent. It takes a good shake to get that to fall off, and it can take the weight of the stand as well. That's pretty decent, can't fault that at all. top notch. As long as it comes with Magsafe, you're alright. This is one of the most affordable Magsafe cases you can get for your Pixel 9 Pro XL. So yeah, if you are interested in picking one of these up, I will leave you a link in the description down below. Affiliate links help support the channel. They don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. That'll be wraps up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked on the channel. I have a lot more Pixel 9 Pro XL content coming, and if you want to see some more down to earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later. Magsafe, baby!